You remember your first bike, your high school graduation, the smell of grandma's cookies. But here's a chilling truth. What if half of those memories never really happened? Not the way you remember them, not even close. Memory isn't a video camera, it's a storytelling machine. A creative, biased, constantly editing narrator in your head. And every time you remember something, you're not replaying the past, you're rewriting it. Scientists have discovered something shocking. Each time you recall a memory, your brain destabilizes it, like opening a Word document. And when you're done, it saves it again. But not always the same. It adds emotions, deletes details, inserts ideas that weren't there before. This process is called reconsolidation, and it means your past is literally changing in your head. Maybe you think your dad held your hand at the beach. Maybe he didn't. Maybe he wasn't even there. But someone told you he was. And now your brain rewrote the scene to match the story. It feels real, but it's fiction. The scary part? You can't tell the difference between a real memory and a false one. Your brain plays them both with the same vividness, the same emotional punch. Meaning, the most meaningful moment of your life might have never happened the way you believed. In a famous study at UC Irvine, researchers convinced people they'd been lost in a shopping mall as kids. They described it in detail: emotions, panic, who found them. One problem, it never happened. But their brains filled in the blanks and believed it with total confidence. Think about your biggest heartbreak. Maybe they hurt you, maybe they didn't understand you. But memory is a lens, not a window. You might have forgotten the ways you pushed them away, the nights they stayed even when you said nothing. Your memory is edited to protect your ego, and it does it without asking your permission. So what is the truth of your past? If memories can change, if they can be influenced, shaped, or invented, then who are you? Are you just a story you keep telling yourself over and over until you believe it? But don't panic. This isn't all bad news. Because just like memory can trap you, it can also free you. You can reframe trauma, forgive someone, let go of a narrative that's been hurting you. You don't need to be a prisoner of the past. You can be the editor of your own story. Every time you remember something, you have a choice. Hold on to pain or look again with new eyes. Memory is like clay. It hardens into who you think you are, but it starts soft. And soft thing, it can be shaped. You are not your memories. You are the awareness that watches those memories play. You're the witness, the editor, the author. So as you go on with your day, ask yourself, what memories are defining you? And are they even real? Or just stories your brain made up to keep you safe, sane, or strong? And what if the real story is still waiting to be written? If this video changed how you see yourself, hit subscribe. We explore the mind, memory, and the mysteries inside you. Comment below, what's one memory you're not sure is real anymore?